Menteri Rangba Kejala Ukonrat Kesang Ma Hakakat Nriu Tarik Ukala Lengkot Araja Arfun Riu Ule Thu Baka Sorkar Jalahi Kadang Panpor Naka Supreme Court Bat High Court Ban Yo Ka Bor Ban Yit Bniah Halor Ka Jing Thung Biang Yaki Nonghikai Kibala Sha Weng Kam Hadien Bakila Sha Ken Bit Sia-Lieh Naka liang Menteri Rangba Uloong Baka Sorkar Kamla Ban Shimrai Daladi Henry Kadon Kejingakran Bat Ki Nonghikai Bat Binram Baula Batha Yo Chief Secretary Ban Yit Bniah Yaki Lat Kilenti Laka La Neem Ban Bniah Chakman Kumban Shukro Bakani Kabenta Kalau Wan Hadien Bala Raipan Kut Ya Kemuka Dema Jersey Tak Sia-Lieh Kabadai House Nam Arajar Kandai Dangshan Kabalong Persha Ya Ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo Ka Menteri Sorkar Barim Bat Arngut Ki Officer Ketenat Education Hakategapor Ketau Jeffrey D. Sangma Bat Ka Amika Lingdo Menteri Rangba Uloong Bana Kapor Syakapor Ke Supreme Court Lani Ke High Court Kala Ailat Ya Ke Sorkar Ban Thung Biang Ya Ki Nonghikai Bat La Le Ru Kumta Shushu Ule Thu Bahaka Yin Kashari Ka Ai Kalat Ya Ke Sorkar Kumta Kala Thung Biang Shispa Sau Thungut Ki Nonghikai Baraka Sin Ka Baarpat La Thung Biang Kumba Sau Hadu Sangut.
If you recall that every time the Supreme Court or the High Court has given us an opportunity to review, we have reviewed. And if you remember last time, because it's a subject I don't have the knowledge, I'm just asking me, so I'm giving you whatever I can remember. That roughly about close to, in the first assessment, close to about 140 teachers were reinstated back. So the court gave us that order, gave us that option, and we went in and looked in, and we have said that we found 140 of them to be not really involved in these aspects, and we gave the suggestion, and based on that, they were reinstated. Again, in the second phase, the High Court or Supreme Court, I can't remember, had asked us again to look into another aspect. We looked into it, and again in that also about 4-5. So this was done by the Chief Secretary level, and the court gives us that order. So similarly now also in this particular case, we are asking the Supreme Court or High Court to give us a mandate and give us a clearance if we can review this again, and we would be very happy to review. If there are genuine cases and people who have been affected in a way that is not correct, then obviously we'd like to review that. So, but since it is a subject that has got different aspects of law and case and different issues that are still involved, we cannot take a decision just on our own level. So, so we'll have to wait. But we are in touch with the teachers. They have met me a couple of times. In fact, they regularly meet me. And we are trying to work out on how we can move forward. I have asked Chief Secretary already to examine the options. He is working on it and seeing how we can move forward.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya